Hey guys, welcome back to Financial Futures. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds: checking those cards, specifically your summer EBT cards. I've got updates for several states, including Florida, and we're going to cover everything you need to know about the lovely world of EBT right now. So if you've been wondering what's going on with your benefits, or just want to stay in the loop, you've come to the right place. You already know what to do. Stay tuned. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, here on Financial Futures, we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I'd love to have you as part of my internet family. Super easy. Just click that big old red subscribe button down below, and you're in, just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give this video a like, especially if you love me bringing this content to you. Let's kick things off with summer EBT because we've got a lot to cover. First up, Virginia. What's up, Virginia? Your summer EBT cards have started arriving today, and I'm super excited for you. I know many of you were waiting, and they were pending for August 9. I've received so many emails confirming that the summer EBT cards have indeed arrived. Next, let's move on to Minnesota. Your cards should have arrived today as well. But heads up, the money isn't expected to post on your accounts until August 22. A lot of people received messages stating this, and some even had a link in the message. Be cautious. I wouldn't recommend clicking that link unless you're sure it's legit, but from what I understand, it's all above board. Now, let's talk about New Mexico. They've started sending out new EBT cards for school-aged children between the ages of 5 and 18 who were active on SNAP, TNF, and Medicaid from July 1, 2023 through August 1, 2024. We're not sure exactly when the money will post, but those cards were supposed to be mailed out this week, so keep an eye on your mailbox. Let's head over to Iowa, where more than 3,500 people have signed a petition urging Governor Reynolds to direct state agencies to submit paperwork to participate in next year's federal assistance program for summer EBT. We know that Iowa was one of the 13 states that didn't participate, and they're not the only ones. Georgia is also in the same boat. In Georgia, there's been a push to get Governor Brian Kemp to change his mind about opting out of summer EBT for 2025. Representative Lucy McBath and other members of Congress have been pressing Kemp's office, asking for more transparency about why Georgia won't be participating. They're urging him to reconsider before the August 15 registration deadline. And speaking of states not participating, Florida announced that they won't be enrolling in the summer EBT program for 2025, and Tennessee has also decided not to participate. Let me know down in the comments if your state has opted out and how you feel about it. Next up, we're headed to Pennsylvania for summer EBT. Benefits for 2024 are expected to be issued sometime between late August and September. Some residents may even receive their benefits by the end of October. I know, at that point, it's more like fall EBT, right? A lot of people are frustrated with the delay, so if you're still waiting, drop a comment down below and let me know how you're feeling. Speaking of Pennsylvania, there's something important I want to mention. The Pennsylvania Department of Military and Veterans Affairs is providing financial assistance for eligible children of veterans for higher education through the Educational Gratuity Program. If you're a veteran who was honorably discharged and has a service-connected disability, or if you're the child of a veteran who died in service or during a period of war or armed conflict, this program could provide financial assistance for your education. Eligible children aged 16 to 23 can receive up to $500 per term, per semester, at approved educational institutions, for up to 8 terms. So if this applies to you or someone you know, be sure to look into it and apply by August 15. Now, let's head over to Colorado, Louisiana, and Washington, where these states have been selected to participate in a new pilot program called the Electronic Healthy Incentive Project, also known as the Colorado SNAP Produce Bonus Program. Here's how it works. This program will give you a credit equal to the amount you spend on fruits and vegetables with your EBT card, up to $60 per month. It's kind of like the Double SNAP program for farmers markets, but with a twist. You can now get reimbursed for buying fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables without added salt, sugar, or fat at regular grocery stores. No need to go to the farmer's market if there isn't one near you. So, if you're in Colorado, Louisiana, or Washington, and you buy eligible items at stores like Walmart, Target, or Dollar General, you could get up to $60 back on your EBT card. This is a great way to encourage healthy eating while saving some extra cash. Lastly, let's talk about Ohio. The Ohio Department of Job and Family Services announced that SNAP recipients who experience food spoilage during recent power outages due to storms are eligible for replacement benefits. If you lost food purchased with SNAP benefits due to a power outage lasting at least 4 hours, you can apply for replacement benefits equal to the total amount of food lost, as long as it doesn't exceed your monthly allotment. You'll need to complete a form and submit it to your county Department of Job and Family Services within 10 days of the loss. They'll verify the power outage before replacing the benefits. This isn't just happening in Ohio. Nebraska is also issuing replacement benefits for storms that occurred on July 31. And in Florida, replacement benefits are being provided to those in North Central Florida counties who lost food due to Hurricane Debby. So if you've been affected, make sure to apply for those benefits. Alright, guys, that's the scoop on what's happening with SNAP, Summer EBT, and more across the states. Let me know in the comments, are you still waiting for your summer EBT? I know it's been frustrating for many of you, especially with states like Georgia, Texas, and Alabama opting out of the program. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't already. Alright guys, that's it for today. Talk to you later. Bye guys.